5:44 in the morning. All to ourselves. Having a little laptop club before we hit the road. I'm editing yesterday's video, and Jansom's doing his summer class homework. Why does this exist here? Before we leave Nashville, we had to stop at probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen in the Midwest. It is so random, and I don't quite understand why it's here, but I'm excited to see it. We're gonna go see an exact scale replica of the Parthenon in Greece. It says it was built in 1897 for Tennessee's Centennial Exposition, and it's just been here ever since. And they turned it into an art museum, which is pretty cool. I just don't understand why a full-scale Greek architecture masterpiece is in the middle of the Midwest. But you know what? I'm happy it is. Well, if you ever find yourself in Nashville, this is a pretty sick place to stop. Also, I can't express to you how hot it is right now. In Fahrenheit, it's gotta be in the like upper 90s with the humidity in like the hundreds. So we're looking at like 40s probably with like stupid high humidity. It's so hot. I'm so thankful I'm not fasting right now. I would not survive. Much better. We're going down a very steep mountain right now, and there were ramps off to the side for runaway trucks just in case they lost control and just went straight down the mountain. But look how beautiful this is. I'm faster than the wind when you're at the door. You know how yesterday I said I had found the greatest rest stop ever, the most beautiful location? We found one of the best rest stops ever. I was so wrong. This is it. I'm not gonna lie, oh no. Yeah, I've tried this a million times, oh no. To get this off my mind, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I feel real low, oh no. I'm not gonna lie. So I only thought we were going to one state on this trip, but this is our third one. We started in Illinois, went to Kentucky, then Tennessee, and now we're in Georgia. This is the entire reason we came to Tennessee. Okay, I gotta take off my backpack. So from right here, you can see 7 states. Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Alabama. So let's recap Rock City. First of all, it is so hot, and I think I am like insanely dehydrated because I'm super nauseous right now. So don't do this on a hot day because you're gonna regret it. You really are. Is it worth it? I honestly don't know. The waterfall in the lookout is really cool. It's amazing. But if you could just go straight there, pay like $5 to $15 even and do it, okay, cool. But no, it's $20 and you have to go through all this pointless stuff. And there are like these random gnomes and stuff all over the place and it just doesn't make any sense. So maybe if it's not a hot day, it's worth it. We just got to our Airbnb and this is quite possibly the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at this. There's a rocking chair. Oh my God. This is the coolest Airbnb I have ever been in my entire life. Guys, this is so cool. I have to give you a tour. This is insane. I cannot express to you how cozy this place is. It's so cute. I'm not gonna show you all of it because I'm doing an entire video giving a full proper tour of the place. Link will be in the description whenever that's uploaded. But we are just going to finish watching an episode of The Flash and then go to sleep. So I'll see you in the morning.